Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an issue on Windows 10 or Windows 11 whether you were unable to connect to this network issue found in your computer. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type CMD. Run as administrator, click on it and click yes. Now here you need to type NETSH space WINSOCK winsock space RESET NETSH space WINSOCK space RESET. Press enter. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. I have one more command to do it guys. After that go ahead and restart it. Type here IPCONFIG space slash flash FLUSH flash DNS. Press enter. Windows IP configuration successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Now close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. Also you want to consider if you not get resolved, hopefully that can be able to resolve somebody's. If somebody's didn't get resolved, also want to consider restarting your router guys. So if you have a router accessibility, if there a reset button on the router itself, I recommend to holding that down for at least 10 seconds guys, and then it's a minute, give a minute and then attempt to connect back to the Wi-Fi guys. Hopefully that can able to resolve. If that's also, if you not get able to do that, I will show you guys another method. If you still having issue, we can try to reset network settings back to default guys. For that go to search menu and type settings. Open it. On left side you need to go to network and internet. On right side advanced network setting, view all network adapters and network reset. Click on it. After that you need to click on, scroll down guys, network reset all networks and adapters to factory settings. This will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as a VPN clients, softwares or virtual switches. This will back to their default network settings guys. So that you need to click on reset now and click yes. Now hopefully that can resolve your problem guys. Now Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. For that you need to go ahead and restart your PC. That's good to go guys. Hopefully this can able to resolve your problem guys. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.